Want to learn one of our most scalable Facebook ad strategy? Then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. And more specifically, you get to learn all my Facebook ad training, tutorials, how-tos, and even strategies on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check it out and actually indulge yourself and binge watch all my Facebook ad training. And as a matter of fact, listen, we have helped students in the past several years now generating over $46.5 million. That's an unheard of in our industry, and I want to actually congratulate my students and members of my programs that you guys are absolutely crushing it, and it's really because you guys took action. That's why you guys are seeing the level of success that you guys deserve. Now, with that being said, in this video, I'm actually going to share with you a super scalable Facebook ad strategy. One that everyone can actually use and apply regardless if you are into Shopify Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, email marketing, local business, any type of business that needs Facebook ads, this strategy will work. And in fact, it is a little bit, I would say, an intermediate strategy, and I'll explain more inside this video. But before we actually dive right in, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So with that, this scalable Facebook ad strategy that I'm about to share with you actually will require a couple different layers. Now, in this video, I'm going to actually explain what these layers are, what your ad should look like, and what your action step would need to be in order for you to actually have a scalable, profitable Facebook ad. So with that, let's dive right in. So as you see, this is a funnel. Now, if you know what a funnel is, it's really like a regular funnel that you're funneling liquid into your engine or whatsoever. You have people actually in the beginning, your goal with Facebook ads is to actually attract people to go right into your funnel. Very typical. Now, I actually have broken up 3 pieces in this funnel. And the reason why is because at the top, we actually call this top of the funnel. And I always make a joke. I always say this is tofu because funnel, F-U, T-O-F-U, tofu, right? Okay, lame joke. Anyways, this is the top of the funnel. And with the top of the funnel, these are essentially people that completely don't know who you are. They're considered super cold traffic. They never heard of you, never bought from you, and also never dealt with your brand before. And this is why the top of the funnel is always wider, because it should be actually the opportunity and ability for you to actually get the most people in your business. And as a matter of fact, when it comes to the top of the funnel, the 2 most important targeting to use is simply the interest targeting, broad targeting, and also the lookalike targeting. Because at the end of the day, that's the job, that's the goal that we're trying to actually achieve, is to actually get the most eyeballs to our ad. And oftentimes with the top of the funnel, what we want to do is to actually use a video ad. And the reason why we're doing so is because with the video, our goal is to extract from the cold market on people that will most likely want your products. Now, yes, it can be as simple as running a direct response ad, they buy right away. That's true, but majority of the time people don't buy right away. So even if you just have the top of the funnel, which majority of you and majority of businesses really just focus on, the top of the funnel, getting cold traffic to work, and that's it. But if you want a scalable Facebook ad model with the highest ROI, you would need to actually start breaking it down based on funnel. So with the video right out of the gate, trying to actually get people interested in your product by showcasing what your product is about, or essentially painting the problem and how your product is a solution to that problem, and people are watching it and going to your website, well, guess what? Now, these people are going to be turned into the middle of the funnel, the MOFU. And they are essentially warm traffic. These are people that already kind of like, hey, I went to this website before, or, oh yeah, I saw this product before. And now, because you already got their attention, your goal is to actually to convert them. And oftentimes, the audience for the middle of the funnel is simply your page view and your video views. People that have already actually visited your website, your product page, or actually have watched a video from your top of the funnel. Because if they watch the video on the top of the funnel, guess what? People only spend a couple seconds per post. But then if they actually spent like a minute watching your video, you know for a fact that they are somewhat interested in what you have to sell. And in here, your entire goal is to make them want the product and to actually overcome objections, things that are lurking into people's mind on why they're not buying. So the middle of the funnel, in order for you to actually overcome this, is super easy. There's two different ways. Number one, use a testimonial ad, or number two, use an unboxing video. Now, I don't have enough spots to write it out. With a testimonial ad, what you're doing is that you're asking customers to actually record a video to give you feedback about the product. Because it's so much stronger in terms of sales psychology for a customer to sell for you rather than you selling it. That's why social proof is so important when it comes to running online businesses. And also, nowadays, it's so important with Google reviews because people actually want to see what others are saying before they actually buy the product. And you essentially use a testimonial ad to actually retarget and re-engage these people that haven't bought yet, but watched your video and actually went to your website to actually make them to buy. Unboxing video can work really well as well. Because now people can actually see how the product really looks like in person and how it's basically being used so that they can actually picture themselves using the product as well. Last but not least is the bottom of the funnel. Now, the bottom of the funnel, we actually call it the hot traffic. And the reason why is these people have already added the product to cart, they wanted to buy, but then they just for some reason left. Right? So your bottom of the funnels, the whole job is to give assurance and also give a discount. That's what you're doing. These are people that actually add to cart or initiate checkout but didn't buy. You want to retarget them with some deals, offers, and guarantees so that you're gaining the confidence from your customers to actually buy from you. So when you start putting your strategy like this and painting the picture like this, your Facebook ad will be super duper scalable. But I'm not even done yet. This is a regular funnel. We also create something called an inverse funnel. And the inverse funnel is where the true money is at. First of all, we actually increase the AOV, we have upsell, and also we have post ads running. Because these people have already bought. They became their customer. And what we're trying to do is to actually maximize and have them spend even more money with us. Because you've done majority of the legwork, a job by asking the person to actually trust you and give you their credit card. Now they have bought from you, it's time for you to actually make them spend more money. And by doing so, all you're doing is to maximize every single penny that they can be spending in your business. Increasing your average order value, adding upsells, and even creating a post-retargeting ad to actually thank them and then make them more interested in your business and actually give them another discount to go back to your website and buy. So with this is definitely by far one of the most scalable Facebook ad strategy. And as I said, it looks a little bit complex. But if you start mapping your game plan, your Facebook ad like this, you will get much better results than just focusing on cold traffic, hoping people are going to actually buy from you. So with that, I hope that this strategy really blew your mind and really helped you out. But I can tell you, even if you have the strategy, you got to get the data to make it work. And if your data don't work, this is not going to work. And if you are confused about your data, uncertain about your Facebook ad data, listen, there's a link right in the video description that you can check out where we have finally eliminated the guesswork and the complication about your Facebook ad data. So go check it out right in the video description right down below. So with that, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please do me a favor and smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.